All right, guys, so I got Apple CarPlay for the car. It came with all the stuff you need. I got it off eBay. It was like 116 bucks. There is something pretty important that you want to make sure of, and that is that your system software is upgraded to the newest one that they have available. They do say that in the item description that it needs to be 70.00.2 some bullshit. And make sure that that's updated, because if not, it will not work. So you can do it yourself. I'll drop a link to the video that helped me do it in the description below. And if you don't want to do it yourself, you can take it to the Mazda dealership. All right, guys, so I use the drill. You can use a screwdriver if you want. And to remove the number 10, need one of these guys with an extension. You are gonna need a plastic trim remover, and you're gonna need one of these guys for the cords. All right, so we're gonna start with this guy first. So I'm gonna start from this side. Oh. Yeah, do that. All right, so now we're gonna take off the screws. I see 2 up here and 2 down here. All right, there was one more screw right there, just hiding. So I took that one out too. I stuck my hand, both my hands under here, and I just lift it up, and then this. All right, guys, so I want to apologize. I didn't film this part, but this plastic piece that I'm showing you right here in this picture, you're going to want to remove that before you take any of this off. To remove it, you're just going to grab it with your hands and then pull it towards you, and it just pops right off. And I just lift it up, and then this popped off too. This looks like a mess, but we got it out, boys. Probably just going to disconnect that so I can get this all out of my way. But all right, so we got it all off. So I'm gonna take off that bolt and maybe it'll come out. All right, so it was a number 10. Just be really careful when you take it out that it doesn't fall into any of these holes, because it almost happened to me. So grabbed it from this side and pulled it, and it snapped right out. So that's the only bolt that's holding it in. So we're gonna remove that gray one and replace it with the new wires. It's kind of tight back here. I can't pull this out any further. One thing I wanted to point out is that I pulled it out of this one, the first one, and it was green, and this wire was also green. The other wire that comes with it is blue. So I'm assuming green goes there, and then I'm gonna put the blue one here. All right, so don't make fun of me, but I have them going down there, coming out through here. I took the plastic off, and I'm running it through here to the back. All right, I'm having it come back through here, and I took the cover off the back. So we have to take this thing out. And figured out if you just pop right there, pull. Don't be as rough as I am, but it grabs it out, or pops it out. So now there's these clips on top too. You have to just push these in, and it'll pop out this way. So again, it's going from there back to here. So I have it hiding under this thing, and now I just gotta plug them all up. I already put this one in if it's perfect, so that's a good sign. Oh, can't forget about this guy. All right, so it's all plugged up. So the brown orange color goes on the right and the black goes on the left. Man, look at all these fingerprints. So I got the 10 mil back in. The wires I put above here after I clipped this in, and tucked over here so that the vents don't, hit it. It doesn't get in the way of anything. So yeah, everything looks good. I'm gonna put it all together and see if it works. It was a success. So again, the wires are going down here, going through this plastic in here to the back. Popped off the cover that's in the back here. You can see it's still loose. So I have to put that cover back on that's over here. And yeah, no wires. You can't see wires anywhere, and that's all that matters. I didn't have to take any of this stuff out. So awesome. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Cool. This is pretty awesome. All right, so hopefully this helps you guys out. If you guys have any other questions, just let me know, and I'll do my best to answer you. Thanks again for watching.